All right, everybody. Long day of work, and I decided to take a little ride this afternoon. Sun is about to go down, and I'm going to take you through what's called the Samsonville Subdivision here in Andoer. That is right across from McDonald's. On the other side, would it be the west side of MacArthur? And I'm going to take a shortcut in here. Here to the left, you actually have LTO here in Mabalacat. And this area is full of businesses. They're selling all kinds of stuff, generators, hardware, all kinds of stuff. It's the back of the marina, basically. So this is the back roads of Samsonville, and one of the purposes is in here there is a Korean restaurant actually that we go and visit once in a while. So I just decided I'm going to drive around a little bit and see if they're open, and go and check a few things out. And it's not very often I go in here. Right ahead of us, MCWD, Mabalacat Water District. I guess they have a pump station there. And it was a dead end road is what I'm looking for. I haven't been in this area too much, except just to go into that Korean restaurant. So I figured I'd drive around a little bit and check out what's going on there. There is looks like a typical Filipino Iglesia ni Cristo. Those churches you see all over the place. Gotta be one of the bigger Christian organizations. I don't know if they're Catholic or Protestants or whatever they are, but it's a huge church. Every city, every community has an Iglesia ni Cristo church in it. That's one thing with the Philippines, it's a very religious country. The Catholic Church is huge, humongous here, and I think there is some free Christian, what do you call them, evangelical Christians. Here is the restaurant right there on the right. They are not open. That's the Korean restaurant. We go and visit quite a bit. We try to enjoy ourselves and go there. They got really good food, and you need to go there. The name of that place is Bamboo Korean Restaurant. Back in here somewhere also is the Barangay Hall. I don't know if I will get by it. This road, I've never been back here, guys. I just decided to drive. It's a beautiful weather. The sun is about to go down, and here we got a hotel. I didn't even know we had hotels back in here. But it's, hotel everywhere. They're suffering at this point as they cannot yet be open due to the COVID. COVID has been holding a lot of businesses up. I just read a couple of articles here today, yesterday, and I saw like Victory Bus Liner, for instance. They have the largest bus. I think they are one of the largest. I think they have like 1,200 buses or something here in Luzon and going all over the place, down in the provinces and all over. But they've been in business for 75 years. 75 years. And now they had to lay off a bunch of people. And they had never done that in the past 75 years. That is part of the effects of the COVID, the pandemic. I don't think personally it's a pandemic, but that's my opinion. You have a ways to go before it catches up to the flu season. So we'll see. That's my opinion, and I'm going to head down here. I'm back on my charter, and I'm going to head down here and check out the checkpoint between Mabalacat and Angeles. I've been wanting to cross in there. I need to go to the immigration and a few other things, but I've held back a little bit. So we'll see. I'm going to ask this guy up here, see what he says. All right, so he told me you can pretty much get right through with just an ID today. One North, that's a new shopping center that has come up over the last year and a half or whatever. And to the right here you have Pure Gold, BDO Bank, where we are banking. Right here, Burger King came up over the last year and a half, 2 years, whatever. And I go there a lot because I like BK better than I like McDonald's. It feels like when you're biting into a BK burger, you're biting some meat, actually. All right, so this guy here is one of my favorite places to stop. So I'm going to stop and get a little bit of peanuts. He has the best peanuts around here. So I'm going to stop and get some from him. All right, this guy got the best peanuts. He cooks them right there, and I think I've been his customer for almost 5 years. I'm gonna make one more stop. I think I'm gonna go and pick up some McDonald's for dinner. So we'll see how it looks like. They're open. They even have dine-in right now. But oh, look at that. Nope. I am not going to McDonald's. The line is way too long for me. I don't have patience to wait. So I'm gonna turn around and let's see what we got. Shucks to go, maybe a grilled chicken. That's a favorite here in the Philippines. So I'm gonna go there, I think, and stop and get one. There is one Shucks to go right there in Jandra. So I'm gonna get down there and get it. But you guys see here, you know, it's so much traffic already. Jeepneys are back. They have like divider inside the jeepneys now, and but they're running. They're not supposed, I think, to stop and pick up people en route, but I see them do that all the time. What I heard, they're not supposed to do that. They're supposed to go point to point on, but I guess they're not. So they blocked off here the center median, so I'm gonna go around and turn around at this point here and go down to Shucks to Go and get us a little bit of food. I don't know if you guys know Shucks to Go, but they have pretty decent chicken if you get it really fresh. Sometimes the pack have been sitting for a while. Here you go, Shucks to Go. So let's go in there and get one. All right, so we got that done. Shucks to Go actually have pretty good chicken, actually. So it's hot, it's fresh, and sometimes, you know, it's been sitting for a little while, but 9 times out of 10 is a fresh piece of chicken, which I like. And now we're heading home to get us a bite to eat. Got to feed the wife, and we go from there. Thank you guys for watching this little motor vlog through Dao. This is part of my day, and what I do, I try to get out, enjoy myself a little bit, riding, get a little bit to eat, and it's all enjoyable. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and share, like, and do what you want. God bless. Bye. Bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again